The kingfisher's daggered beak, allowing the bird to plunge into water with minimal splash, inspired a trained nose that cuts through air with astonishing silence. Shark skin replicas featuring microscale denticles have transformed hospital surfaces into antibacterial barriers that repel bacteria and reduce infections. Burdock burrs sparked Velcro, a simple hook-and-loop system that anchors gear from spacesuits to everyday outfits. Gecko feet revealed tiny adhesive hierarchies, enabling reusable, rock-solid clinging without liquids or residue. Lotus leaf textures inspired self-cleaning coatings, powering paints and glass that shed dirt like magic, keeping cities brighter and greener.